An 80% win rate. That's what they promised. I paid $2,000 to find out whether it was true. I just tested it 100 times. And what I discovered, you'll have to see for yourself. $2,000. For most people, that's not life-changing money. But when you're a graduate student living on ramen, it's almost everything. I still remember the ad that got me. Professional trader. 80% win rate. Works in any market condition. The screenshots looked perfect. Green arrows everywhere. Account growing every single week. I thought, if I could just replicate that, I'd finally crack the code. So I made the decision. $2,000. Not because I had money to waste, but because I needed to know. Is this real? Or is it just another promise? I'm about to show you what I found. The wins, the losses, and the trades I didn't expect at all. Before we dive into the test, let me show you the method. Exactly as it was taught. No modifications, no optimizations. No my personal twist, just the raw system. Because that's the only way to test if it actually works. This method claims to work on any market. Crypto, indices, gold, Forex. I'm testing it on Dow Jones US30, exactly as taught. The method uses two indicators, average true range and Keltner Channel. The parameters, look at the screen. These exact settings, write them down if you want. All right, indicator set. Now the entry rules. Rule number 1, only trade when ATR is above this level. See that threshold? That's your filter. Below it, no trade. Above it, game on. Rule 2, short setup. Watch this. Price breaks outside the upper channel. Here. Then, wait for it. Price comes back inside. Like this. Entry right here. Target, the middle line. Stop loss is placed right here. That's your short trade. Rule 3, long setup. Same logic, opposite direction. Price breaks below the lower channel. Wait for it to come back in. Entry here. Target, same. Middle line. Stop loss is placed right here. Simple, right? Mechanical. No guessing. Now let me show you this live on the platform. Open your trading platform and select Dow Jones US30. Any broker works. I'm not recommending anyone specific. Time frame, 3 minutes, exactly as taught. Adding ATR. Parameters set to, see that? I'm adding a line at 20 for the ATR, makes the backtest easier. Adding Keltner Channel. Length. Multiplier. There. That's the complete system. 2 indicators, 3 rules, 0 discretion. Now you know exactly what I tested. So I took this system and ran it 100 times in real market conditions. Uptrends, downtrends, sideways markets. I'm going to walk you through 6 trades from that backtest. These aren't about the results. They're here for one reason, so you can fully understand the setup, how the conditions line up, how the entry is triggered, and how the rules are followed without hesitation. This is trade 6. Market conditions, sideways. As you can see, this signal candle satisfies Rule 1 and Rule 2. Now, the entry is placed 3 points below the low of the signal candle. You can see it clearly on the screen. Take profit goes here. Stop loss is set a few points above the high of the same signal candle. Remember this rule. It is extremely important, and almost no traders ever tell you this. Now let's watch how it plays out. Okay, this one is a win. That's $110, trading $10 per point. This is trade number 21. Market conditions, sideways. Focus on this red candle. Ask yourself, is this a valid entry signal? Let's walk through the rules. It satisfies the ATR condition. Now look at Rule 2. Price moved above the upper Keltner Channel and has now come back inside. Notice the close of this red candle. It is below the upper KC line. That confirms the signal. Now we place the entry, set the take profit here, and the stop loss here. Let's watch how it plays out. Okay, this one delivers $130, trading $10 per point. This is trade number 21, during a strong bearish market. Here, the ATR is relatively high, which gives us a strong advantage if the trade wins. Now, let's identify the signal candle. Here it is. This is an example of an almost perfect setup, and it's very easy to recognize. Now let's set the entry, take profit, and stop loss. All right, let's watch this trade play out. Okay, this trade delivered $210 in profit. This is trade number 27 in a strong bullish market. Here, the ATR is quite favorable. Now let's continue searching for the signal candle. Here it is. The signal candle looks very clean, satisfying the ATR condition and the requirements for a sell setup. Let's set the entry, take profit, and stop loss. Now let's watch how the market continues. This trade resulted in a loss of $350. Alright, let's move on to the next trade in this continuing bullish market. Alright, this is trade number 32 in a bullish market. Here the ATR is extremely high, close to 50. Let's go and find the signal candle. This one is fairly easy to recognize. It satisfies the ATR condition and the requirements for a buy setup. Please set the entry, take profit, and stop loss. Let's see how this trade plays out. And here we are. This trade delivered a profit of $130. These 5 trades give you a clear picture of how the system behaves, but they're only a small window into the full backtest. After 100 backtested trades, I have my answer. Was it worth $2,000? Was the 80% win rate real? Were all those stories true? I'm not going to answer that in this video. If you want the complete 100 trade backtest, the real win rate, the real profit and loss, every single number, you'll find my email in the video description. I'll send it to you for free. I'm not selling anything. I just want you to see the data for yourself and decide. Thank you for watching.